Hello.
No. I'm fixing myself. Just give her a second. On?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's on.
On?
I don't care.
On? Or off? I don't know. Okay.
Okay, hi. I'm Kristen, I guess. Say hi. Yes.
Start over, I laugh.
So?
I laugh.
So?
I look weird without glasses.
You look like a chipmunk. You look like a deformed,
deformed squirrel.
Yeah. Like in that video we were watching?
Mm-hmm.
So.
I hate my hair.
I know how to fix it. Give me a pencil.
No!
I did her hair. Oh, someone's at the door. Later.